How to check if your storage is SSD or HDD using Windows 11 and 10. So our first method is Task Manager. Right-click on the task bar and click Task Manager. Go to the Performance. And here you'll see like the disk you have. So our disk 1 is SSD and the rest are HDD. So this is our method 1. Our second method is Defragment and Optimize drives. So go to the search and write it down and then open it. Here you'll see like which one is SSD and which one is HDD. It's showing it here. Okay. Our third method is using the PowerShell. So you have to copy this first. I'm going to put this on the description below. And then go to open Windows Run and then go to PowerShell. Once it is opened, copy and paste this text and press enter. Let's wait a little bit for it to work. You'll see like the drives. We have two hard drives. One is SSD and one is HDD. It's showing the details here. So this is how to check if your storage is SSD or HDD using Windows 11 or 10. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.